Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm Devon, and you are now watching another episode of New Touch Auto Dip. In this video, we're going to get into this GMC XL over here with this white pearl. Now, this is just not any pearl. It's two pearls mixed in one. So stay tuned if you want to see more of this video, because it's going to blow your mind. Is a Yukon XL, currently gray, whatever you want to call it, but it don't matter because we about to give it some sauce. We about to change it up, give it a new color. Two pearls mixed in one. They got everything taped off nice. Everything is taped off nice. Tell you something for y'all beginners out there. Shout out to y'all, man, because we all started from somewhere. I was once a beginner, and I just want to educate you all and let you know. If you don't tape your stuff right, the outcome will be terrible. You're gonna have problems with it. So make sure you prep everything correctly, the best way possible. No matter how much tape you gotta use and paper and tape and drape or whatever, use it. It's worth it. But as you can see, we got everything taped off. We're gonna be spraying from a turbine today. We got all our product down here. We're gonna be mixing everything, but until then, New Touch Auto, be ready. Showtime. We got it looking snow white. We got everything covered. We got the base. Done. 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 Looking like Yo Gotti about to pull up in here. Alright, y'all. Now we're about to get, well, as you can see, I got a white beard too. But it's all good. It's part of the job. Everything's all good. They all come off. Removable. Best product that I done ran across in a long time. Y'all stay tuned. We about to lay them pearls down. Watch.